How to use TikTok's parental controls. The TikTok logo. TikTok is a social media platform on which you can create, remix, augment, or share short videos. Because it's so popular with teens, parents obviously want to protect their kids from inappropriate content. Fortunately, TikTok has parental controls that can help you with that. Before you begin, you're going to need access to your child's TikTok account on his or her iPhone or Android device. Make sure you also download the latest version of the TikTok app for Android or Apple. How to activate family pairing on TikTok. Using family pairing, you can connect your own TikTok account with your child's. This will prevent her from changing any settings on her own. After you enable family pairing, you can regulate screen time, content, and communications on your child's account. Related, how to secure your TikTok account. To enable family pairing, open TikTok on your phone and tap Me in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the app to open the Privacy and Safety menu. Tap Me, and then tap the three-dot icon. In this menu, tap Digital Wellbeing greater than Family Pairing. TikTok will ask whether a parent or teen uses this account. Tap Parent. Tap Parent. You'll see details about the tools at your disposal. Tap Continue to bring up a unique QR code. Next, open TikTok on your child's phone and tap Me greater than three-dot icon greater than Digital Wellbeing greater than Family Pairing greater than Teen. Your child's phone will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on your phone. You might have to give TikTok permission to use the phone's camera before you can scan the QR code. A TikTok QR code in the Link Accounts section. After you scan the QR code, tap Link Accounts on your child's phone. Confirm your choice, and the accounts will link. On your phone, you can now tap your child's account to access and modify its security settings. The Linked Accounts section under Family Pairing. You can also activate all three parental control features individually on an account without family pairing, see below. However, family pairing is the only way you can prevent your kids from easily changing these settings. The TikTok Family Pairing menu. How to activate screen time management on TikTok. Setting a strict time limit on social media use is a healthy habit for everyone to adopt. The screen time management feature forces TikTok to turn off after a certain period of use. Unless someone types a 4-digit passcode. To activate the screen time management feature on TikTok, tap Me in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner to open the Privacy and Settings menu. Tap Me, and then tap the three-dot icon. Scroll to the General section. Tap Digital Wellbeing, and then select Screen Time Management. Tap Screen Time Management. Here, you'll see some details about this feature. Tap Time Limit, and then choose 40, 60, 90, or 120 minutes. Tap Turn on Screen Time Management to save your settings. Tap Time Limit, choose a time limit. And then tap Turn on Screen Time Management. You'll be prompted to set up a password. Confirm the code. And TikTok will now require this passcode if it's open longer than the time limit you chose. A green banner briefly appears at the top of your screen, confirming the change. The Set Password section. How to activate restricted mode on TikTok. You can use TikTok's restricted mode to filter out any flagged or inappropriate content. This feature in any app is always a work in progress. However, on TikTok, people can report content this filter, or the entire platform, should block. To turn on TikTok's restricted mode, navigate to Me greater than three-dot icon greater than Digital Wellbeing. And then select Restricted Mode. Tap Restricted Mode. Tap Turn on Restricted Mode, and then type a 4-digit passcode twice. Restricted mode will remain active until you use the passcode to turn it off again. A green banner briefly appears at the top of the screen, confirming your change. How to turn off direct messages on TikTok. As a parent or guardian, you can also limit or disable any direct messages (DMs) to your child's account. In fact, beginning April 30, 2020, DMs will be disabled by default on accounts for anyone under 16. Related, what is TikTok? And why are teens obsessed with it? To disable DMs, Tap me greater than settings greater than privacy and safety greater than who can send you direct messages. You can then select no one to prevent anyone from sending DMs to this account. Alternatively, you can select friends to limit the account to receive only DMs from friends. The who can send you direct messages menu. Again, if you don't enable family pairing, the 3 parental control settings in TikTok are easy to disable. It's helpful to remember how incredible resourceful kids can be when it comes to working around parental controls.